Hello to all creative teachers and parents. Hope you're having a great day. Today, we're going to explore a few simple yet super engaging and practical games that can turn dry and difficult lessons into exciting and interactive experiences. Ready? If you're looking for a fun and creative way to teach number order and sequences, this game is exactly what will transform your math classroom. Through this activity, students engage in problem solving and strengthen their number sense, without even realizing they're learning. 2 game modes, tailored to your students' level. 1. Empty tile shuffle. In this version, number cards are placed in a grid with one empty cell. Students can swap any card adjacent to the empty space until the grid is completely sorted. Best part? You choose the starting number and the interval between numbers. Example, starting from 5 with an interval of 2, 5, 7, 9. 2. Tile switcher. This is a simpler version, great for younger students. There's no empty cell here. Instead, students simply click on any 2 tiles to swap them until the grid is in order. Again, full flexibility, start from any number, use any interval. Example, start at 2, interval of 3, 2, 5, 8. If you found this game helpful and feel like it could make your classes more engaging, we'd really appreciate a little like. If you're looking for more educational games to use in your teaching, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you think your fellow teachers could benefit from tools like this, share this channel with them. Let's make learning more exciting together. Now the great news for you, the creative teacher. We know designing these kinds of games can be time-consuming and tricky. But not anymore. We've made it incredibly easy. A ready-to-use, professional tool built with Excel plus PowerPoint, no coding required. Just enter the data in Excel, open PowerPoint, and with one click, your game is ready to play. What you can do with this tool: choose your own starting number and interval. Set a timer for each game or leave it open-ended. Enable scoring and rewards. Add a special prize screen to motivate students. Use a random spinner or box to select students or games. Create a personalized version of the game for each student. And the best part? The game is dynamically created at the moment of execution, no need to flip through slides or manage anything manually. It's interactive, magical, and feels like a classroom spell. Dear teacher, it's time to redefine math learning, smarter, more engaging, and centered around play. Let's turn your classroom into an exciting learning playground. Ready to see this tool in action? Join me now. If you're interested in collaborating or have any questions, feel free to contact me via email. So if you're looking for creative, engaging, and budget-friendly teaching ideas, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new videos.